Hey beautiful people, in today's video, I will show you how to change the password on your TP-Link Wi-Fi router step by step. This is useful if you want to improve security or simply update your Wi-Fi password. First of all, make sure your phone or computer is connected to your TP-Link Wi-Fi network. You can connect either wirelessly or with an Ethernet cable. Next, open any web browser like Google Chrome and go to the router's login page. In the address bar, type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1, then press enter. On some routers, you may need to use 192.168.1.1 instead. When the login page appears, enter your router's admin username and password. If you never changed it before, the default login is often admin for both username and password. After logging in, you will see the router settings dashboard. Now look for the wireless section in the menu. Open wireless settings or wireless security, depending on your router model. Here you will find the Wi-Fi password or wireless password field. Delete the old password and type your new Wi-Fi password easily. Make sure it is at least 8 characters long and easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid your name, your birth date. So after entering the new password, click the Save button to apply the changes. Your router will update the settings and your Wi-Fi may disconnect for a moment. Finally, reconnect your devices using the new password to get back online. If you prefer an easier method, you can also change your Wi-Fi password using the TP-Link Theater app on your phone by going to Wi-Fi settings and updating the password there. And that's how you change the TP-Link Wi-Fi router password. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.